Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about social studies, lesson 9, transport, and it's on page number 29. Okay, now open your book, page number 29, transport. In this chapter, we will able to learn about different transport like road transports, air transports and sea transports. And what does mean by transport? Any means that we use to move from one place to another is called transport. What does mean by means? Means of transport. Means of transports are car, bus, airplane, train, ship, rocket, helicopter, bicycle and boat. Now move on the next slide. Vehicles. What is mean by vehicles? Machines which take us from one place to another on land are called vehicles. Some vehicles are driven forward by engines. The engines run on petrol, diesel or CNG. Some vehicles can also run on electricity. Okay, in the next slide you can see what is this? Tell me what is this? Yes, this is a car. The car is a vehicle. You can see car on road every day. Here you can see some parts of car and the parts of car are roof, steering, rear view mirror, windshield, hood, headlight, license plate, bumpers, turn signal, tire, wheel, door, outside mirror, handle, boot, window and the last one is seats. Okay, all vehicles need petrol, diesel or CNG and oil and water to run, and the tires need air. Okay, now move on the next slide. What is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, horse carriage. It's a horse carriage. But some vehicles do not have engine. They pulled by animals like horse carriage. In the next slide, you can see some another examples. Handcart. And the next one is bullock cart. Okay, now move on the next slide. What is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, aeroplane. Okay, aeroplane is an air transport. Traveling by air is the fastest way to go anywhere. Aeroplane can fly over the sea and high mountains. They can transport hundreds of people over long distances in the shortest time. The largest airplane today is the Airbus A380. It can carry a full load of, oh my god, 655 passengers. Now imagine what the size of that airplane. Now move on the next slide. What is this? Do you know what is this? Yes, helicopter. Here we have given helicopter. For traveling short distance by air, the helicopter is most useful. Helicopters can land almost anywhere, even on your playing field. Wow. The next one is, what is this? Do you know what this is? Yes, train. It's a very big in size. Vehicles that travel along the ground have wheels. Trains have wheels too, but they move along on track on rails. They can't move on roads. Railway carriage Railway carriages are pulled by powerful engines. The power of these engines comes from diesels, coal, or electricity. The next one is bus. This is also a good network of road and highways. Many people travel by car and many more people use the bus services. Okay, the next one is, what is this? This is a ship. Okay, there are many kind of boats. A ferry, for example, carries people and goods from one bank of a river to the opposite bank. Boats are also used for sport and adventure. Fishermen also use boat to go fishing in the lakes, river or the sea. Okay, in page number 33 you can see the picture of ferry boat, and you also can see the picture of oil tanker and another boats. Okay, now we have completed this lesson, and inshallah the question answer and exercise of this lesson we will done in the next video. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.